In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your ClickUp list in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to have a physical copy of your tasks for a meeting or you just prefer having a tangible checklist at your desk, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. To kick things off, you'll need to navigate to the ClickUp website. ClickUp trademark is popularly known as the Everything app for work, providing an all-in-one workspace for you and your team. Once you're on their homepage, the next step is to enter your workspace by logging in. To log in, you'll need to enter your email. Make sure you're using the email associated with your ClickUp account to avoid any login issues. After you've entered your email, the next step is to input your password. Remember to enter your password carefully to ensure you don't run into any errors during this step. Following the entry of your password, you'll see the option to click on the Login button. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your home page. Here you can see all your spaces and tasks. Since ClickUp organizes work by spaces, folders, lists, and tasks, navigating through your workspace can be pretty straightforward. The next step is to navigate to a specific space where your list is located. Spaces in ClickUp help you organize your work into broad categories, so click on the space relevant to the list you want to print. After selecting your space, look for and click on the specific task list you're aiming to print. This would typically be within a folder under the space you've chosen. Once you have your desired task list opened, the next action is to highlight the specific tasks or the entire list you want to print. This can be done by clicking and dragging over the tasks you're focusing on, or by using the task options to select all tasks within the list. After highlighting the tasks, you'll notice a print option becomes available. Clicking on this print button is your next step. Once clicked, you will be prompted by your browser's print options. Here you can select your printer, specify the number of copies you want, and make adjustments to settings such as which pages to print, color options, and more, depending on your specific needs and the capabilities of your printer. But before you hit the print button on your browser's dialog box, take a moment to preview your document. This is a crucial step to ensure that everything looks exactly how you want it on paper. If you need to make any changes, you can cancel the print dialog, make your adjustments in ClickUp or your browser settings, and then go through the print process again. Printing your ClickUp list can be incredibly useful for a variety of reasons. Not only does it give you the ability to physically check off tasks as you complete them, which can be quite satisfying, but it also allows for easier sharing and referencing during meetings or when working away from your computer. Plus, having a printed list can serve as a backup in case of technical difficulties with your devices. Throughout this process, there are a few additional tips to keep in mind. First, ensure your internet connection is stable throughout this process to avoid any disruptions. Secondly, remember that the appearance of the printed list might slightly vary based on your printer model and the browser you're using. If the format doesn't exactly meet your expectations the first time, don't hesitate to play around with the print settings or adjust the screen layout in ClickUp before printing. Also, consider the environmental impact of printing and only print the necessary lists or tasks. Perhaps using recycled paper or printing on both sides of the page can be small but impactful ways to reduce waste. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward guide on how to print your ClickUp list. This process not only helps keep your project management more tactile and visually accessible, but can also aid in task tracking and team communication. Remember, staying organized and finding what works best for your workflow is key to achieving productivity and success in your projects. Thank you for watching, and be sure to put this knowledge to good use as you continue to navigate and maximize the benefits of ClickUp in your daily work.